Hello, how you doing? So, vegan, vegetarian, curry, spicy, Indian, delicious. This is pumpkin masala. It really is tasty. Let's get moving. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got our pumpkin right there, cut fairly chunky, this one. I mean, you can cut it much smaller if you want. About 3 cups. Also about 3 cups fresh tomatoes. 1 cup of green peas. These were a garden, frozen pea. I just rinsed them through with some water. Fresh chili to taste, entirely up to you. 1/2 cup of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Some fresh curry leaves, you can get them, they're absolutely marvelous. If you can't, try and get them dried. Nothing else really can replace them, so you'll just have to skip it if you can't get it. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two, and then our 4 spices. So we've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, cumin and coriander, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder for those that are interested. Let's get moving. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil there. The oil that I'm using is coconut oil, but you can change that and use something else. Let's drop in, first of all, the cumin seeds and the black mustard seeds and the fresh curry leaves. Just as that heats up, they'll make crackling, popping noises. So just do that for maybe 20 to 30 seconds. And now we can drop in our pumpkin. Now, because I've cut this kind of fairly chunky, that's why we're going straight in with the pumpkin to give it a nice head start. So above medium heat I'm on, we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So still extremely hard, but on its way. We're now going to add in that 1 cup of onion. While I'm here, I'm going to get some salt in the mix. And we're going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes stirring often. And now we can add our ginger garlic paste. Like I say, that's a 50-50 mix of the two. Our fresh chili. We can now add our tomatoes, 3 cups of tomatoes. And then we've got our spices, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, 2 teaspoons chili powder. What we're going to do now is cook this for maybe 6 or 7 minutes. We want to cook those tomatoes right down, and we might get some moisture from them. We'll take a look then, give it a stir every now and then. We're well on our way to this being finished, and it's delightful. So you can see that we've got some moisture from the tomatoes. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop the heat down to nice and low. We're going to drop in those peas. I mean, these are actually just optional, but I like them in there. We're going to add a little bit of water. I mean, depending on how your tomatoes turned out. Give that a stir. We're going to simmer this now until our pumpkin's nice and tender, which for me is going to be about 4 or 5 more minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at that, really beautiful. Just going to finish that off with like 1/2 cup of cilantro or coriander in the mix. Check it for salt. It's a beauty. Okay, job done. Absolutely fantastic. I really love that one. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.